Okay, today I'm going to show you a neat combination of tricks that help you do cleaning up of data using regular expressions and a neat feature in Visual Studio Code called Replace All Occurrences. So, first of all, the task is to get rid of all lines that don't have a bar at the beginning. So standard regex stuff, it's a nightmare, but let's just find that. So we start off with this one lines, we start with hat, and then we say that's all the lines, so we want ones without a bar, which is all but bar. Okay, so now we've matched those. And then we want the rest of the line, so you can just say star, but it goes too far, so we need to then stop it at the end of the line, and now we've got everything matching. Well, that's cool, right? But now we want to replace that. But you can choose replace, of course, but you can also just right click on any one of these and say change all occurrences. Check this out. Every single selection is now editable at the same time, and you can simply press delete. Boom!